Hi everyone, this is Dome lock model DIAMANT. It is considered to be a very good lock. Some say that it cannot be opened, but it turned out to be openable. This tool makes it pretty easy to pick these locks. The tool is of course very expensive. So that's it. Moreover, it doesn't need to be opened twice once it takes off and then turns in any direction as needed. This is very good, of course. The lock was opened very quickly, but we have been opening this lock for several days and therefore our hand has already been worked out. And the new lock will take about 5, 10, 15 minutes to be opened. The price of the tool is on our website. Contacts are under this video. Bye.